my channel, guys, and today I have a fall try on haul featuring Soulvation. So stick around and stay tuned, you guys, because you don't want to miss this one. All right, guys, so a little backstory to this try on haul. I actually recently won a giveaway and I won a $500 gift card to Soulvation. They're pretty much known for their headbands. That's at least what I've known them for. They have like these very cute turban headbands. They have some twisted headbands. They have regular headbands. They have amazing colors, different designs, and they even have distressed headbands, you guys. And it makes it super easy for those of you who want to put your hair up and you don't really know how to tie a turban or tie, you know, those cute little knots or bows or whatever. So they have headbands that give that illusion, and they're really super cute. You guys definitely have to check them out. And yeah, I went on their site. Of course, I added a whole bunch of headbands to my shopping cart, and then I seen that they actually had clothes. Fall is coming up. I needed some jackets, I need some jeans, I need some workout gear, I need some tops, like I need some new clothes. You know, I just love to shop in general, so this gave me a reason to shop. Also, the $500 gift card was specifically for their store, so I definitely went ahead and shopped up. And yeah, come on and see what I got. Okay, you guys, so this first item is this really cute light wash denim jacket. Get out of here, mosquito. I was just out there taking pictures and now, oh my gosh. Anyways. Okay, you guys, so this very first item is this really super cute, you know, everything's gonna be really super cute in this haul. Anyways, really super cute, light, kind of distressed denim jacket. And I don't want to steer you wrong, so I'm gonna get you the exact name. It's called the Hudson cropped trucker jacket, and I got this one in a size medium, and it fits really nicely. I take it that they didn't have a small, because usually I get a small pretty much with everything when it comes to the top half, but I got a medium, so I may have just wanted it to fit a little oversized, but for me this kind of fits like a small. I do really like it. It is a very good top quality denim fabric. These clothing items, I will tell you right now, these clothing items are not cheap, okay? They're not cheap. I really like this jacket. This is perfect for fall weather because where I'm at is about to start getting cold soon. It's not cold just yet, but today is actually the official first day of fall, so I am definitely getting myself prepared. And I love me a nice denim jacket. This one fits really nicely. I can tell I'm gonna be so warm. Not that it gets that cold here, but yes, I love this jacket. It fits really nicely. It is not cheap denim whatsoever, and it also is not stretchy, so it's that thick denim type of jacket. Okay, this is what you're gonna get, and you're gonna pay top dollar for it. I'm not about to lie to you. Okay, this is a very nice denim jacket though, and it's definitely well worth it, you guys. I love it so far. I have not worn it yet. I haven't worn any of these items yet because I wanted to do this haul first, but I did try them on, but I didn't go anywhere. But yeah, so I absolutely love this, you know, with a nice casual outfit. And you know, as it gets colder, this would be nice to just throw on with any outfit really and just, you know, head out. It has some distressed detail on it. Let me see if these pockets are workable, because I don't know. Are these real pockets? Okay, this is a real pocket. That's pretty important. And also it pretty much says in the description as well, but this is a pretty cropped jacket, but it's not super cropped. When I thought cropped, I'm thinking like usually hit about here, like how my shirt, this is a cropped t-shirt, so I'm thinking it was gonna be a little bit shorter than that. It's not that cropped of a jacket to me. I don't know if it's because I went with a medium instead of a small though. Even on the website though, the jacket doesn't look that cropped to me anyways, but I'm not complaining about it whatsoever. I actually really like this jacket. This is really cute though. This literally, like, it's gonna hit your waist area, but it doesn't go any further than that, so it's not longer though. I guess it is somewhat cropped. Okay, and on to the next item, which will be another jacket. I decided to go with the jackets first, so on to the next item. Oh, and if you guys are wondering where this little two-piece set is from, this is actually from Rainbow. It's super see-through. I thought about throwing this in my Rainbow try-on haul, but honestly, because of how see-through it is, I don't even feel like it. Okay, so it's making an appearance in this try-on haul. Okay, it's really cute. I don't really have much to say about it because I didn't realize how see-through it was, and I don't know how it's translating on camera right now. I don't even want to show you the bottom half, to be completely honest with you. It's cute, it is comfortable, but as far as wearing it outside, I'm not sure about it. Okay, so that's that on that, and it clearly is not going to be in that Rainbow try-on haul. It ain't making the cut. I got some cute pictures in it though. But anyways, back to this jacket. So this is a quilted jacket. I got this in a size small and I got it in the color tan. I believe they have it in one other color and I believe that was black. Now I always wear black and I always wear tan, but I definitely thought that the tan one looked better than the black one to me. I really like this. It has a little like acid wash kind of effect going on with it. This jacket is a little bit on the heavier side, so it will keep you warm. I would say this is a really nice fall and winter jacket. I would say end of fall, early winter though, not smack dab in winter, but it also depends on where you live at. Where I'm at now, I could probably wear this all throughout winter because I don't think we're gonna get snow whatsoever. But then again, I don't know. Mother Nature be tripping, so we'll see about that one. I really do like the jacket. I just love the quilted details on it. It's really cute. I got it in a size small, so it is an oversized fit. I love all things oversized. Like, they just look so cute. I just love to wear baggy clothes. I love oversized clothes. Like, that's my thing. So I really love this jacket. You know, with a nice pair of jeans or something, it's gonna be really cute. It also zips up pretty nicely. There is something I'm a little bit confused about with the jacket though. So when I zip the jacket up and I don't zip it all the way up, this is a little bit awkward to me. I don't really know what's going on here. I try to flip it out. It just, I don't know. It just looks weird to me. Maybe it doesn't look weird to you. It looked a little weird to me. I don't know what that's about. But anyways. And then or you can zip it all the way up. It's cute. It's cute. Like, I don't really have anything to complain about. This is a really good top quality kind of jacket, you guys. Again, this jacket is not inexpensive whatsoever, so I am leaving the prices down below so you guys can figure it out for yourself. But if you're looking for a really good fall jacket, this is one. Like, this is the one. I also like how heavy it is because you need a heavier jacket when it starts getting cold, because you need something that you know is going to keep you warm. And this one, I can almost guarantee that it's going to keep you warm. Also, the sleeves are cuffed, but you can undo it and you can have them be a little longer if that's what you like, or you can leave them cuffed. I most likely will leave them cuffed. It gives you options, and that's what I like about this jacket most of all. It gives you options. I love the color of it. It has like an acid wash kind of thing going on with it, and it's really cute. Really warm, perfect for fall and possibly even early winter. And yes, so that's all I have for this one, and on to the next item. All right, you guys, so as I already stated, they're pretty much known for their headbands, so I definitely had to pick up a couple. And I seen they had this little kit here, and it says Soulvation on the back. So at first my intention was to get a whole bunch of headbands, but I figured I'll get this spot pack. That way I already automatically get a black tie headband, one of their Soulvation hair ties or scrunchies, and then it also comes with a Soulvation towel, and I thought this was really cute too. Like, this is a perfect little travel pack. At least that's what I was thinking. And I could put all my other Soulvation headbands inside here, and then you get this really cute bag as well. Like, you can't go wrong. I always need something to store my accessories in. And then on top of that, speaking of accessories, here is their other headband. So I got it in the color gray. I just tried to get some basic colors that I know I will wear pretty often. A headband always helps give my simple buns a little flair, so I got one of these. I think this is like the regular headband. I don't know, I'll have to correct myself with this one. Okay, so this is their Buttersoft twist headband. Now I guess this is the one that they're most popular for because it says home of the Buttersoft headband. So this is their Buttersoft twist headband. I got their Turban headband. So this one is a little longer and this one is a little thicker. This is distressed. I thought this was really cute. You don't really see headbands or even head wraps like this that are distressed. I was like, this is really cute. I just got it in the color gray. I think they have it in a couple other colors as well. Oh, it's called the Distressed Turban, and I got it in the color Volcanic Ash. And the other headband, I said it was gray. I got it in the color charcoal. Gray charcoal, same thing, you know what I'm talking about. And then also I seen they had some scrunchies on there too, or some hair ties, whatever you want to call them. I thought these were really cute. Also, like, they have this little hard plastic on the back. This is really nice. I have yet to use these though, but I thought these were some very interesting looking hair ties, so I had to pick these up as well. All right, you guys, so if you haven't heard of them, definitely check them out, especially if you have natural hair, okay? Because I'm putting you on right now. These are perfect if you have natural hair, okay? And you don't know how to tie a headscarf, a head wrap, a turban. If you don't know how to do any of that, they got you covered, okay? So check out Soulvation and get you some headbands. All right, you guys, so these next two items, and granted, I didn't get a whole lot. in this try on haul, you guys, so this is going to be a short one. These next two items is actually going to be this oversized tie-dye hoodie here, and then I also got a pair of their black joggers. On the top, this is their tie-dye cropped hoodie. I got it in the size small, and the color is Green Galaxy. And it has green and gray, some tan. Like, it's a really nice blend of colors. I really love this, and this is very different and very unique. Also, what's pretty unique about this sweater is that it's a V-neck. You can show up the girls just a little bit, and it also has the drawstrings as well. I think this is really cute. Here's the hoodie part. So this is the hoodie. If I could wear oversized hoodies and sweaters all year round without having a heat stroke, I absolutely would, okay? I promise you I would. And it's all about comfort at the end of the day. So I really love this sweater. It's really nice. It's cropped. It's oversized. It's cropped perfectly, honestly. Really good quality on the sweater. It's not a super thick sweater. So I will say that. This is definitely like fall sweater that you could wear without a jacket type of thing. But in the winter time, you're going to still need a coat if you live in some really cold areas, because this jacket, I mean, not this jacket, this sweater is just not gonna do it for you. This hoodie, no ma'am, okay? And these joggers is everything, okay? I'm not even speaking proper English. That's how everything they are. These joggers, I don't know if it's because I have lost a little weight. I've been working out a little bit more too. I don't know what's going on, but these joggers look amazing, okay? I love them. Black makes you look slimmer anyways, but these joggers, baby, like, they're making my stomach look flatter too. They're high-waisted, which I really love. They're making my butt look amazing. They're hugging the body just perfectly. The cuffs at the bottom are a little on the tighter side, but they're not super tight. They are stretchy. It's just really like this fabric, this material is really trying to hug your body. Also, I'm going to leave materials and stuff on the side because I know I'm not going to do it justice just off the top of my head. So I'm going to put that information on the side so you guys can know like what the material is, how much these items are going to cost you, all of those details, because just off the dome, I ain't got it, okay? I like these. They make my booty look nice. You know, my thighs look really nice and thick and proportioned. Like, I just really like how this whole getup is looking right now. Like, this is looking really good on me. I really like this. And it's like, it's stretchy. You can literally work out with these. You can wear these casually. You can plan a whole outfit around these joggers. These are really cute. These aren't even joggers. I'm sorry, guys. These are leggings. I said joggers this entire time. I meant leggings, but they do have that jogger look. These are their utility leggings, and I got these in a size medium. I think I got the perfect size for me. The pockets as well on the sides, they're workable, so you can put things in the pockets. This is just really nice. Yeah, I think I keep calling them joggers because they actually tie like joggers would. They're utility leggings. These leggings right here, I do not want to take them off, and that's how much I like them. They make everything look nice. Okay, they're hugging the body perfectly. They're hugging my midsection area. They're making the butt look good. They're making the thighs look thick. Like, it's just doing, these joggers, I'm sorry, I gotta stop calling them joggers. These leggings are doing everything that they need to, okay? It's giving what it's supposed to get. I love these. And yeah, guys, on to the next items. All right, you guys, so the first item is this beautiful dress. Okay, so this dress is called the Sleeveless Rib Dress. I got it in the size small, and it is in the color stone. I love this dress, guys. It is super sexy and simple, and this dress is super comfortable, okay? And it's hugging the body as well. It just makes my body look so nice, and it's really comfortable. I can wear a regular bra with this. This dress is perfect for fall. It also has the drawstrings on the side, so you can kind of make the dress as short or as long as you want. I mean, not as long as you want though, but you can make it shorter if you want it to be a little more mini. You can definitely play around with this dress. It's a nice rib material. It is stretchy as well. I am amazed because all of these items, I guess I shouldn't be that surprised because the price is a little up there, but the price is well worth it because you're gonna get some really good quality clothes. Like, this is like top quality. I love how this feels. Now, this dress is not a thick material. This is actually pretty thin. The material, it just feels so soft. It's not like any rib dress I've ever had, actually, and I really like this. This is definitely worth the coin. Just the way this dress forms the body, like, it really looks nice. It makes my body look banging, makes the booty look nice and big. Like, it's just doing doing everything it needs to do. Like, I really love this, and it's so sexy. Literally looking in the mirror right now, like, I love how it hugs my body, hides the little fupa a little bit, like everything. It is a shorter dress, but it literally doesn't hit like right at my butt. It's a little bit underneath. This is really comfortable. Like, you can be sexy and be comfortable, and I think that's the biggest thing with me is I love to look really nice and throw a little sexy in there, but I like it to be comfortable. I do not want to be adjusting myself all day long. That is so annoying, and I love that because this dress right here, literally you could go out, be sexy, and be comfortable, period. I'm not gonna be adjusting myself all day with this dress on, and I really love that. And I think it looks really great, and I styled it with the denim jacket that I got, as well as these booties. Now, I don't want to completely butcher the name of them, but I think it's Vocosi shoes. I'm going to leave the name down here. These booties are so cute. And if you guys don't know, I will literally wear booties winter, spring, fall, summer. It does not matter. I'll wear them all year round. But booties are especially perfect for fall. I got these really super cute women's zipper ankle boots in the color brown. And unfortunately, they didn't have a 6.5, so I went with a size 7, and they honestly fit perfectly, you guys. I love these booties. And literally, these booties are perfect to complete your fall outfit. As you guys can see, I paired them with a denim jacket, this dress. If you guys really like these shoes, they have tons of other beautiful shoes that you guys may want to check out. So check them out. I will leave the website in the description box below, as well as the link to the shoes that I have in the description box below. And also, I got you covered with a coupon. You can use code CoCo10 to get 10% off of your purchase. These booties are literally like, they complete my outfit, okay? This outfit with the denim jacket is just so sexy. Let me put it on. So as you can see, for a little cute, sexy, and simple fall look, I just added the denim jacket from Soulvation. Of course, the dress is from Soulvation as well. And these sexy brown booties. So they made this outfit just go from sexy to sexier. I just love it. This outfit is perfect for, like, I don't know, maybe a night out on the town, maybe going to brunch, or I don't know, maybe going on a date night or something. And it's just really super cute. It's not something that's super dressy. It's a nice casual and sexy kind of fall look, and I love this. Can't wait to wear it. I definitely have to give it to Soulvation because all of these items definitely wowed me. I loved every single thing I got, and I will be wearing every single thing I got, and I will continue to shop with them as well, you guys. So all right, you guys, so that is all I have for this try on haul. Real cute, short, sweet, and straight to the point. I have more coming for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this fall try on haul. Do me a favor, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
I need you.